Hello guys, today I do have the iPhone 17 and I'm going to tell you what to do if your camera control button is not responding. You can just fix it. So, here it doesn't really matter if it's an iPhone 17 or 16 or 17 Pro Max or 17 Pro, etc, etc. The fix is very easy. At first, open your settings and scroll down to the camera right here. Tap camera control, and now here you need to scroll down to the accessibility. Once here, you do have something here called light press false. Select LiDAR. Here, as you can see, once you select LiDAR, you can check if it works. It should work for you now and it should be responsive. If it still isn't, you need to just manage these settings over here and check on each one how does it work. And the most important thing is that if you don't have it working, you need to just go to the authorized service and have your device fixed, because your device may be just broken. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.